Method overriding in Java is a powerful feature that allows a subclass to provide a specific implementation of a method that is already defined in its superclass. This means you can take a method from a parent class and redefine it in a child class, tailoring its behavior to fit your needs. Key features include maintaining the same method signature, meaning the name and parameters must match, and utilizing dynamic method dispatch, which allows Java to determine the method to invoke at runtime based on the object type. To implement it, you simply define a method in the subclass with the same name and parameters as in the superclass, using the at override annotation for clarity. The benefits? It promotes code reusability and enhances polymorphism, making your code more flexible and easier to maintain. By overriding methods, you can create more specific behaviors while still adhering to a common interface, which is a cornerstone of object-oriented programming.